campus, but we want to go around the whole of Delhi, the whole of India, because the aim of this is not only to hurt or to raise questions. More of it is to spread the whole what is sexuality. It is called rainbow because it's not only one sexuality that we want. It's not only a female and a male can have a relationship, a sexual relationship, a relationship of love. We believe here that a man and a man can have a relationship, a woman and a woman can have a relationship. There are no such sexualities like only male and female, or even sex, like there is no male and female. It's a whole spectrum, like a rainbow. It's a whole spectrum of relationships, a whole spectrum of different genders, a whole spectrum of different genders engaging themselves in different acts of sexual natures. So that is what we believe over here, and it's not just one organization which is organizing this rainbow march. We are going around because all of us from different sections of the society believe that this should happen. This is not like what we have right now, and especially because of the kind of government which is in power right now. Their ideologues, the RSS, the Hindu Mahasabha, they have their mentors time and again have come out in the open and have questioned the whole idea of even a normal relationship, what is a normal relationship, a man and a woman having a normal relationship. If they go out and express their love in public on Valentine's Day, that is even being questioned by them. They throw stones at them. They believe that women should not go out and have alcohol in the bars. So this is, even if they protest that, we want to go a notch higher and even claim our right to spaces, to public spaces where people can be free to have any sort of relationship they want to, as long as they are having consent amongst themselves and they are not hurting anyone. So this is the idea behind this, and this is just the first step. Organizing this march in JNU is just the first step. This march will probably, people around who are not very convinced with this whole idea of these relationships, probably it will start to make them think about what is this, and what this whole space of dialogue will open up. This is another idea behind this march, that the whole space of dialogue will open up, the whole space of discussion, that people will at least start thinking, people will at least start talking. Only then will they know that this is not something abnormal. Like the organizers of this march, when they were going around collecting funds for this thing that they organized, there were some people from the administration who said that, okay, you've been called, you're abnormal, so why does that hurt you so much? So what we think here is that, first of all, this is not anything abnormal, and if someone calls you abnormal, then obviously that will pinch you somewhere. You can't expect us to have this whole shield around us that you can call us anything, you can do anything to us. You cannot accept us in relationships, in families, and you call us abnormal, and we just be like nothing has happened. So we want to open up this space for discussion, for dialogue, for debate, to open up new avenues for sexualities. This is the whole reason behind this march, and we really want to carry on further in different spaces of Delhi, in different universities, different campus spaces. Thank you.